I'm Ben from Pen Boutique, and today we'll be talking about the differences between the Montblanc Double Broad and the Montblanc Oblique Double Broad. So here we have the two pens from our tester set that represent each nib width, and the difference between these, the morphological difference between a double broad and oblique double broad is that the double broad, as seen here, has a cut on the tip that is perpendicular to the nib slit, and the oblique double broad has a cut which is slanted. Here you can see them side by side with the oblique on the bottom. So this functionally allows you to create an effect opposite of that seen in the double broad. So because the double broad is functionally what would be referred to as a stub nib by another pen manufacturer, the vertical strokes are significantly thicker than the horizontal strokes. So with the oblique double broad, that slant allows you to adjust the way you hold the pen such that you reverse the effect. The horizontal strokes are thicker and the vertical strokes are made much thinner. Before I started recording, I measured them, and they actually, both being double broads, produce lines varying from 0.2 millimeter to a full millimeter each. The thick horizontal stroke effect is achieved by holding the pen at a rotated angle. So where you would hold the double broad, like any other fountain pen, like so, with the nib facing vertically upwards, the oblique double broad, in order to achieve this effect, should be held with the pen rotated about 45 to 90 degrees, whatever gives you the best ink flow with the way you write and hold the pen. So if you're holding it too far over, say I've got this 95 degrees or so, just past the vertical, completely unnecessary rotation, and you try to write with it, you're not going to get any ink flow. But you have to be mindful to not overturn and just leave it at whichever angle allows the slanted nib to properly contact the paper all the way. If you look closely at the pen on the page, you'll be able to figure this out, and you don't even really need to look. Trial and error is sufficient to get down this irregular grip. The examples of how this script looks are actually easy to find on the Montblanc tester pads. Here we have the double broad, and you can see in the vertical of the F and of the G that the horizontal strokes are exceptionally thick. The vertical strokes, rather, my bad. In the oblique example, the T demonstrates everything that makes this, makes this distinctive, in that the cross stroke of the T is far thicker than the vertical stroke. I hope that this has been informative and helps you in your decision when you're picking out Montblanc pens at Pen Boutique, and I hope we've helped answer some of your questions. Thanks, I'm Ben from Pen Boutique, and have a nice day.